Hi, we're Terrance and Harry, international husbands. This visit to the UK, I begged Harry to take me back to Cornwall, but we're kind of broke, so camping it is. It's my first time, so say a prayer for me. We're seeing some beautiful new places and making some amazing memories, so feel free to tag along. Be sure to like and subscribe.
If you search, then you shall find. Put clearly in my mind. When you get your mind on mine, I knew you were mine. I'm missing you.
Hey family! Welcome back.
Welcome.
A little bit of a different environment today.
We have made it to Cornwall. We're gonna catch you up with our journey. Harry and I had to wake up at the crack of dawn because our campsite does not take reservations, so we hit the road at 5:30 in the hopes that we get there by 10. Fortunately, the ride to the West Country is beautiful. Check out that thatched roof, they're crazy expensive. We made it to Penzance with plenty of time to spare. But here's where the roads get kind of tricky. They look one way, but they're definitely two-way. And here we are, we made it to Treem campsite. And we're in luck. They had a pitch for us. Insert camping montage.
Cool peg. Cheers. Open this side. Get foxes coming in our tent at night.
What? Harry thinks that's a fox house. So close to our house. Welcome back. Yeah, this place is beautiful.
And so peaceful.
Very peaceful. I was telling Harry, it doesn't feel like my body knows I'm actually sleeping here yet. It still feels like I'm just visiting. So that might be why I'm so zen about it right now. But we'll see how I'm feeling when I realize I have to sleep out of doors tonight.
I think he just loves it. He doesn't want to admit it to me.
I'm really enjoying this right now, but I don't know.
But
how I'm gonna process the thought of sleeping out here tonight.
I think he'll love it. It's when the tent will get too hot, but it might sound noisy, but it's only because of our riff-raffy gazebo.
We'll give you a tour in a little bit, but Harry's really decked the place out. So, welcome to our living room.
Yeah, you call it the living room. We've got rugs, we've got bean bags.
Yes.
Needed to make him feel like he was at home, you know?
When Harry was packing up the car earlier, I thought he was doing a little too much, but now it feels like just the right amount of things. Oh, there's no electric here, there's no Wi-Fi, so that I might also have to.
Yeah, he's going in. There's no electric.
The deep end.
Yeah. We even had to get tokens to use the shower, but they're only 40p each, and you get 5 minutes. But today, well, I'm knackered because I did the drive.
5 hours. So yeah, I think we're gonna go check out Penzance, which is like 5-10 minutes away.
Yeah, it's the local town really, which is where our jeweler is from.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna get some good food.
Yeah, there's like a few vegan cafes there, so we'll check those out. I guess we'll catch up with you once we hit Penzance. But yeah, before we go, please feel free to like and subscribe.
And tap that bell to get our notifications.
Ding, ding, ding. All right, we'll see you in a bit.
Oh, should we do a tour now?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And here we go.
It's our driveway.
Yes.
It's our front door. It's our dining room table.
All right.
And
That's
it is.
ours, that one.
Yeah, that comes with the pitch, which is really nice.
Yes.
And look at everything blooming behind us.
Nice.
And this pod We have all our food and stuff, all our clothes and stuff. Do you want to show the bedroom?
Yes. Harry did all the hard work here, though. Here. The bedroom.
Lovely.
Let's zip that up before the flies get in. But it should be very nice tonight.
Yeah. We'll see you in Penzance.
See you in Penzance. Yeah.
Already feels so subtropical, babe. I can't get over the size of that one.
Palm trees in England?
Believe it, because it's true.
And we're in.
Terrance's first night outdoors.
This is kind of snug.
Isn't it?
Yeah, but
Super snug.
I don't feel trapped. But
We've got 2 duvets, a thick one and a thin one, a throw. I've got 2 pillows, he's got 2 pillows, and we've got a sharing pillow.
I know it's starting to get cold outside, but for now this is still warm. So.
It's already too warm in here for me. Oh, how snuggy it is.
Alright, so this is good night for us. We'll pick up with you guys.
Yeah, we're doing an early night.
So we'll see you guys later.
See you later. Night.
Good night. We're in the elements.
It was like this last night, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I love that.
It was really windy last night too, so we ended up taking down that, what do you call it?
The gazebo.
We ended up taking down the gazebo last night at like midnight because it was just so loud, and then it started raining. So now we could really use a gazebo.
But hey, at least we had a peaceful night. And I can hear the ocean.
Yeah, we could hear the ocean. And honestly, listening to the rain in the tent is kind of like therapeutic.
But the creaking of the gazebo was too much.
Yeah, we're gonna see some cool stuff. Head over to the Minack Theater. Then go to Land's End, Porthcurno Beach, and then St. Michael's Mount. So, a lot of cool stuff. We'll catch up with you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
the seats. Oh, dial.
Whoever thought to do this? Whoever thought to do this? Brilliant. Great idea. Cornwall, babe. Cornwall.
The South.
Deny thy father, and refuse thy name. It wasn't long before their secret plans and marriage was discovered.
All right, we've had a slight change of costume. And now we are headed to the beach. This is where we're camping. This is the beach. Oh, that's the theater we were just at. It's all connected.
Let's go swimming.
I might put my feet in.
Oh, it's lovely.
Oh no. It looks so pretty. Okay, that's not, once you're, okay. When's the, oh.
Once you get past the numbness.
Oh, that's not great. I married a crazy man. This is as far as I'm going, because it's freezing. Look how far Harry's going. He looks like he's enjoying himself. Woo. Not all. Woo. How was it?
You know, I can't lie, it was cold.
Uh-huh.
Because we just had that pasty, I'm like... And I thought, before my body goes into shock, for your sake I'll get out. You know, you look bored.
Yeah. I went a little bit further, guys. Look at that. Ankle submerged. One of us is English and one of us is West Indian. It just wouldn't be enjoyable for me. Like, I think it's a challenge for him. Why? Why?
Right, I do have sandy feet slightly still, but look where we are! We're gonna check it out.
We officially made it to the westernmost point.
This is the most west you'll see us in this country. There we go. here, my left. Oh, that's, I guess, more Dorset. Cornwall. Right. Should we make a move?
Yeah, let's head back. Guess where we just made it to. Not to be confused with Mont Saint Michel. It is St. Michael's Mount. It's the official twin of Mont Saint Michel, and it went up like 1,000 years ago. Yeah, like I think it's like 1100 or something that went up. So it's been there for a while.
Terrance booked us boat tickets, so we rushed in to get the boat because he worked out it was going to be high tide.
But the tide is out. Well, that's what they said on the website. I didn't work it out myself.
Well, you
And it kind of forced you to do it. You had to book a one-way ticket.
right.
So here we are. If the tide comes in while we're over there, we're covered. If not, we spend an extra £5 where we didn't need to. That was a wallpaper. time to go.
Yeah, we can't take the path no more.
Yeah, highly recommend. I don't think you need to do the castle tour, but the gardens are definitely worth it.
I agree. I agree wholly.
Oh yeah, look. Cheers, Boo.
Cheers. We're in Porth
Our favorite little Cornish town. We love this place. Yeah, special little charm to it. Hey, family. I think the last time we saw you, we were cheersing in Porthleven.
Yeah.
And I think we got carried away from there.
So from that, we went back to our campsite, stayed the night,
Yeah.
packed up this morning, passed Porthleven this morning to go to 2 pasty shops.
Before coming to the new campsite,
Campsite 2!
we are presently at Mount Pleasant Eco Park. And it's beautiful, guys.
Yeah,
You
it's a
can
bit of
see.
us, definitely a bit of me. And we have electric here.
Yeah, so that's gonna be nice. Because charging our phones is kind of a feat.
It was alright, it was just a bit long. We were really preserving battery, so that's good. And just also really environmentally friendly here. And tomorrow we're going to be in the cafe, and all that food is grown in the allotment here. And that's like a highlight for me.
Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy the rest of our time, and I think we're gonna close out here. But I highly recommend coming to Cornwall because there's so much to see.
And it's a microclimate, so it's not fully UK weather.
They call it subtropical. Emphasis on the sub.
Yeah, I guess we'll say bye, but we'll do a little
I'll show you guys.
insert clip of campsite here.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming by again, guys.
And if you love this, be sure to like and subscribe.
And of course, tap that bell to get notifications.
Ding, ding.